Okay, so we're down here in Dulwich again, just around the corner from the last project that we've been working on. So I'm going to give you a run through, tell you what we're doing on this project all the way through. So customers having a full brick clean on the front of the house. We'll be cutting out and replacing all the damaged bricks, then repointing all of the front of the house with natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. We're also doing the side of the house, no brick cleaning on now, that's just going to be a flush finish, cutting out and replacing all the damaged bricks on there as well. We'll be decorating all of the stonework on the front of the property as well here. So again, this is another really big job. Five lads here today, 3 vans here today. So let's give you a walk around and show you what the lads are getting up to, and let's see how they're getting on. Okay, so let's give you a walk through, show you everything we're doing on here. So like I say, all of the front of the property is all going to be brick cleaned, cutting out and replacing all of the sand and cement pointing. It's all been done in sand and cement. Lads are here now, cleaning all of the bricks, getting it all nice and clean, starting cutting out all of the bad bricks. I'll show you upstairs. Might not be able to see much. A lot of people ask us to show you more work when we're cutting out, but it's always so dusty. And when we're doing this, it's not really much to see, so let's just show you about anyway. So they're working well on this project. All the lads are over there crafting. So all of the sides being done, all of the boys down here. All this side elevation, all been cut out and repointed. So as you can see, another massive job underway. Red dust everywhere as always. I'll show you upstairs. Yeah, this is going to be a massive transformation. Loads of pointing to be done on here. Dusty. So it looks like all this area's all been done. Got some big hollow joints on there to fill, as you can see. All looks like all the bricks have been cleaned up here. Then we'll start marking up all of the bad bricks, start cutting out all these bad bricks. So yeah, big job. All the vans are here in force. So this looks like it's going to keep us going for probably right up until December now. So yeah, like I say, not much to see at the moment because there's just so much dust everywhere. But I shall be back in the next week or so when these boys have got most of the cleaning done and cutting out, and we will show you some more progress on this. It's a dusty old game. Okay, so we are down here in Dulwich. We started this project before Christmas, so all the pointing work was done before Christmas, all the brick cleaning, repointing. So we've been back here after Christmas doing all the paint work now. I've had a really cold weather at the start of the year, so this has been really handy because we've been doing loads of paint removal on all the stonework. So what we did before Christmas was brick cleaned all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out, replaced all the damaged bricks, and then repointed it all in a penny roll finish. I'll give you a little look at that in a minute. We've also repointed all the side of the house as well. No cleaning on the side, just a flush finish on there. So what the lads have been doing after Christmas, this first couple of weeks in January, is getting all this paint off all of the stonework. Paint's okay on these columns, customers happy with the paint on there, but everything else is in quite bad condition, so we're stripping all of that off there. All of the capitals, these floral details that you can see, getting all the paint off of them. So now we've got the paint off of them. I'm not sure if you can just make out, we've got a nice little squirrel on there, so we're going to hone in all of that. I will show you upstairs, the lads have been honing in their capitals upstairs. So we're going to start getting all of these columns perfectly filled now. All of these little profiles in here, we're going to square all of these up, get everything lovely and sharp. All of the nosings on the bases of the columns as well. All of the window sills are all going to be made good. Got a few corbels to pin back, bit of work on them where they just literally was falling apart in underneath there, so we're going to repair all of them there. All of the columns here, the metal columns, they're all been stripped back and restored, going to be restored. All of these sills, we're going to start doing all of that there. So let me show you upstairs. Lads are here this morning now, just getting prepped up. So this is going to look so good. Well, it looks good already with the pennywell pointing. As you can see, the pennywell done properly. Like I say, so many of this going about now on Instagram. So many companies doing pennywell, but they are not doing it to a high standard. It's got to be absolutely perfect. All of the bed joints got to be perfectly square, same line all the way through, all of the perks perfect. So yeah, just be careful when you're getting these pennywell prices that you're getting a proper pennywell finish, because otherwise it can look terrible. But back onto the stonework. So you can see now all of the detail we're getting back in on all of this stonework, all of these capitals, getting all of these profiles nice and sharp. So when we burn the paint off, we'll hone them all in, get these profiles nice and sharp, so when we paint them they are going to look really, really good. We've just got a few more left to do on here. We've got the capitals around this portico to do, so we're going to bring all of this floral detail back out, get all of these lines in here and recreate them, and then we're going to make all of this detailed whiting pop out. It's going to look really good as well. So yeah, the boys are finishing off. You can see some repair work has been done to this capital in the past, so that's all been filled. So we're going to take all of that back and restore that. But when you look at these capitals, you still see, when you strip this paint, you get all of this old flaky paint in here, so every little bit's got to come out and then literally made to perfection. Right, let me show you upstairs. I've got the roofer coming today to look at doing all of the downpipes. The customer now wants the chimney stacks done as well, so we've got to get some more scaffolding up here for the chimney stacks. But all of the side has all been done, all the way through there. So I'll just give you a little close up of the flush. Nice little bit of aggregate in the flush points in there, looking spot on as always. And then this pennywell all the way through there. So this was, like I say, a real big job before Christmas. All the lads was over here doing this one. Goes right up to the top up here. So again, the pennywell all the way through there. And then upstairs up on the gable, it's all been done as well. And then we're going to decorate all of this timber work, some wood repairs and stuff to do up here. A few areas like this we'll just repair. All of this timber here where it's slightly rotten, wood fill all of that, and yeah, looking spot on. So the customers are really, really happy with this. I think we're talking about now about doing I think it's this stack maybe, and I definitely know he wants this stack over here done as well. So yeah, this is just a little update of how the boys have been getting on over here. They've been really busy all over Christmas. The lads have been working, just haven't had a chance to get much videos done. I've been so busy myself, pricing jobs, setting everything up for the new year. But the lads have all been working hard, they're all on different jobs. So I'll get out and show you a few of the other jobs that the lads have all been working on over Christmas as well. But yeah, so far so good. So as always, if you've got any questions about this project or any other projects, or you'd like a free quotation for your own property, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. London Repointing and Restoration Limited. Today we're thrilled to showcase one of our most remarkable projects in South East London in Dulwich. So this stunning transformation involved brick cleaning, repointing in natural lime mortar in a beautiful penny roll finish. So the stonework was all carefully stripped, honed in and decorated to perfection. So every single bit of stonework, we literally stripped everything right back to the original stone. Honed in all the capitals, the window sills, the corbels, every single little piece of stone was completely stripped back, restored and made to perfection. Same with the brickwork, all brick clean, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, and then like I say, repointed it all in natural lime mortar in our penny roll finish. We also repointed the side of the house, done the chimney stacks, decorated all of the woodwork so all of the windows were restored, really taken all of that paint right off, primed all of the windows, any wood repairs with resin that made it all good, and then obviously also decorated the front door and the frame as well. So this is another happy customer. Really happy with how everything went on this project. Did get quotes from other people, but he saw the level of work that we do and decided to pay that little bit extra and use us, and he doesn't regret any of it. He said he's so happy with the finish, and yeah, he wouldn't change a thing if he could go back to choosing somebody else. So that's what we like to hear. So let me turn the camera around and I'll give you a walkthrough and I will show you everything that we've done on this project. Okay, so let me give you a little walkthrough of this beautiful property that we've restored here down in Dulwich and show you exactly the finish and exactly what we've done on this property. So the scaffolds finally came down. It was up for quite a while after we'd finished the work. The customer was getting new downpipes put on, which took him to find somebody to do quite a while. He wanted the Pacific type, so finally got them done. So what we've done in this project is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. It used to look like this house next door. So cleaned all the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, then repointed it all in a penny roll finish in natural lime mortar. What else we did on this project is burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework. So every single bit of paint has been removed, honed in all of the capitals. Let me just zoom that in there. All of the capitals have all been honed in. Again, to show you around this side here. You see how nice and sharp everything now looks. All honed in, stripped back, decorated. Like I say, the customer just had these downpipes put on, so they're all on now. All of the window sills all been stripped back and decorated. We've also repointed the whole side of the house as well. Let me just give you a little look at the penny roll again. So you can see the penny roll up against the flush repoint in there. Goes all the way up the building. It looks absolutely stunning, this property, I must say. Beautiful property inside as well, really nice. We have got one repair to do. Unfortunately, the customer had a new box put on, fibre optic box, and they've lovely drilled through and cracked that brick, so I'm going to get that repaired for him. But yeah, overall the finish on this was a real high quality finish. All the woodwork was decorated, done all the windows as well, and front doors all been painted as well. So once again, another project finished to the high standard as always. And if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. As always, thank you very much.